In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retrieve Yahoo Mail without account key. If you're locked out because you don't have access to account key, don't worry. Yahoo provides built-in recovery options that rely on the backup details you set up earlier, and we'll walk through them clearly and safely. Start by opening your browser and going to the official Yahoo sign-in page. Take a second to confirm you're really on a Yahoo domain and that your connection is secure. Look for the padlock icon in the address bar and avoid using shared or public computers for this process, since you'll be working with personal account details. On the sign-in form, instead of trying to guess your login, choose the link that says Forgot Username. This is the doorway into Yahoo's recovery flow when you can't use account key. It's designed to help you prove ownership of your account through information you've previously saved, so you can get back in quickly and safely. You'll be asked for a recovery email address. This is the alternate email you added to your Yahoo account for emergencies like this. Type it carefully, double-check for typos, and make sure you're entering the correct address you control today. It doesn't have to match your Yahoo address, and capitalization isn't important, but accuracy is. Providing the right recovery email helps Yahoo locate the correct account and verify that you're the owner before offering next steps on screen. If you don't remember your recovery email, select the option that says Use Recovery Phone Number. This switches the process to the mobile number you previously linked to your account. Make sure you enter the number exactly as it's saved, including the correct country code if applicable. Keep your phone nearby with Signal enabled so you can follow the on-screen instructions that Yahoo provides after you choose this option. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Use a stable internet connection. Take your time entering information to avoid lockouts from repeated errors, and complete this process on a device you trust. If you have multiple emails or phone numbers, start with the one you most recently associated with your Yahoo account. And remember, Yahoo's recovery flow is there to protect you, so follow what appears on your screen patiently. That's the entire approach. Begin on the Yahoo login page, pick Forgot Username, enter your recovery email, or, if you can't remember it, choose Use Recovery Phone Number. Follow the prompts that appear and you'll be on your way to regaining access without using account key.